Now, not so long ago, strange machines appeared at the edge of the shaman's forest. And those that sent the machines had asked the shaman not to interfere, knowing that she was the protector of all of nature. They explained in their appeals that these changes were necessary for technology and for new generations that wanted to see the world through screens. As soon as the machines arrived, they began devouring the great trees of the forest, the brothers and the sisters of the shaman who had lived in the forest for hundreds and hundreds of years. At first, the shaman was confused, watching her family disappear right before her eyes. But after a short time, she decided to consult her greater intelligences, her higher self. And in short time, all the following was revealed. Her higher self spoke clearly in the form of energy, and the shaman felt the power of this transmission. You, my dear shaman, your family is not dying, for just as humans do not die, neither do the trees. You see, there is a place where all consciousness goes as it transcends from physical form to spirit form. We call that place the landing place. And once the consciousness arrives, the most magical process begins. The most beautiful adventure starts. Traveling in a moment with mere thought, the idea of creation instantly moving from awareness to being. Infinite channels of light opening in different directions where all of consciousness meets together. Every experience, animal, plant, just as humans, becomes a creative process that contributes to all that is. It is the source of life on this earth. It is rich, it is deep, it is dark, it is moist. That is our earth, our dirt, our soil from which all life ascends. And we can all celebrate this together. We can feel this energy as it opens a magnificent spectrum, colors and shapes yet to come, for they have not yet been even discovered. This new energy emerges from this open vortex, and in celebration of that, I will do something. I will send my dancer to tell all of life. The channels have opened. We will create even greater than we can possibly imagine. For all that is receiving the love of our family and contributing to the ongoing growth of all of consciousness on this planet. Now, go watch for him. He is an earth dancer, and his drum sends messages to stimulate the growth and the expansion of what is yet to be. The shaman known as Little Bear has lived on the edge of the forest for decades. And my friends, they live with her. They live on her wall. And they live in a circle around a magical mirror. A mirror through which, when you peer into it, if you are not afraid, you can begin to see yourself.
Take my hand. Brian always says, take my hand. Sometimes it's take my hand and we're all going to go across. All of us that are here, which are, thousands of people here, we're all going to cross together. Next time you go into the mist there, the crayon says, take my hand. I'm going to offer you mine as well.
Wow.